first question. Okay, this one. Always like this one. Question. 3 kg, 2 kg. Okay, 3 kg, 2 kg. So if you hang these two things together, the whole things will go this way. Am I right? We can imagine, huh? For physics, you have to imagine what will happen next. So you know that this one will be 30 Newton, this one will be 20 Newton, and the whole thing will move in this direction. This one go up, this one will go down. Okay? So F equal to ma. So what is your net force? You know that the force definitely not going to be 50, right? It will be 10, because in different direction. So 30 minus 20 equal to, what is the total mass? Because it tied together, so it will be same mass. Okay, so we combine it to 5. So now I know that my acceleration is actually 2 ms negative 2. Right? This is the first part. Now when we want to know what is the string tension, see, why is this string tension pointing upward? Because you have a force acting downward, you have a string tension that going opposite direction, Newton's third law of motion. Okay? So we cannot consider two blocks together because you have two T here, it will cancel out each other. Same string. Tali yang sama, it will cancel out each other. So I have to consider one side. Okay, either this side or this side. If I consider this side, you know that the whole thing will move downward, right? So 30 minus T equal to MA, right? So 30 minus T equal to 3A. Okay, so 30 minus T equal to A, I already got it, is 2. 6. So 30 minus T equal to 6. So my T equal to 30 minus 6 is 24 Newton. That is how I calculate the string tension. You can take this way, you can take this part, you will get the same answer for string tension. Okay, so this is question number 1. Question number 2. I have a block. This is, let's say, 2 kg. I'm going to tie it to a wall, something like that. And then this will be something, the force, extra force. So what is the weight of this block? 20 Newton, right? And then let's say I hang it like this, and this is, let's say, 30 degree. Okay, question always asks, what is the string tension here? Okay, and then what is the force over here? Or can be string tension also. Force and string tension is the same thing, right? T, Newton, right? It's the same thing. If this thing hanging here means that it is not, there is no movement at all, right? No movement means that forces in equilibrium. Okay, when forces in equilibrium, up equal to down, left equal to right. But this is different string. So I cannot write T. This one will be T1, this one will be T2. Different. Okay, so if it is not moving, up equal to down, left equal to right. So I try to solve up equal to down first. Okay, the upward force will be this one, right? This one, right? Who will contribute to this one? T1 will contribute. So T1 is that if I move it here, it is actually opposite of 30, right? So it is T sin 30. So T1 sin 30 equal to 20 Newton. Because up equal to down. This one is T1 sin 30. Sin is opposite this one. I move it here. Alright? Some students they don't understand this. The teacher, I want to use this one, can or not? If I'm using this, will be cos. The P beside of T1, the P already, right? Cos 60 T1. Cos 60 equal to sin 30. 1 point or 0.5. Okay, so you will get the same answer. Now can I get my T1? Can, right? So my T1 will be equal to, sin 30 is 1.21 equal to 20. So my T1 will be equal to 20 Newton. So I know that this is equal to 20 Newton already. Now I solve left equal to right. Left equal to right. Just like up equal to down. Now left equal to right. Left equal to right. So I'm going to do it like this, right? So what is this component? T1 cos 30. Betul ke tidak? Cos, because it is beside of this angle, we use cos. So T1 cos 30 equal to T2 Left equal to right, right? Forces in equilibrium. Okay, T1 cos 30 equal to T2. I am trying to solve T2. T2 equal to T1 cos 30 is 0.866. T1 is 20. So 20 times 0.866. Someone please tell me what is the final answer? This is how you're going to calculate this one. If you see something that cannot move, senang saja, up equal to down, left equal to right. Exactly the question that in your trial exam. You try to solve again. I think now you can solve already. Up equal to down, left equal to right. Okay? Okay? Another question that normally asked is, how are you going to hang your picture? If your picture is like 10 kg, what is the string tension here? If you hang it with the 3 degrees Celsius, it can be 30, it can be 60, it can be 45. Normally the question will give you something like this. You hang it like that. Okay, same 10 kg, but this one is 60. Which one more stable? Which string will snap first? Tali mana yang putus dulu? Tali mana yang putus dulu? You want to know tali mana yang putus dulu, you have to find the string tension. You make sure that the T is lower, then it's less likely to snap. Okay? If T is higher, it's going to snap. Boleh? Okay. Now, this one I write. This one I write. Okay, so I'm going to solve 2. Then we compare which string tension is higher. Okay. This is number 3, A and B. Okay. Now we look at this one. 100 Newton moving downward, right? Okay. And then the string tension going up, but we want to find something like this, right? Right. We have to make it like this, right? Then only it is same direction. Up equal to down, remember? So I will move it to the middle. Easier. Okay, move it to middle. How? This one, let's say I Ty lah, Ty. It is opposite of 30, right? Opposite Surya, use sin or use cos? Opposite, you see who?
Sin.
Sin, yes. So T sin 30, you have how many strings? 2, right? 2 Ty, right? This one 1 Ty, this one contribute another Ty. 2 T sin 30 equal to 100 Newton. Now I want to know what is my T. Okay? 2 times P, this one sin 30 is 1 per 2 equals 100. So my string tension will be cancel, will be 100 Newton. Okay, for the first case, A. Now we go to second case. Still the same, but the angle now change. Okay, 2T sin 60 equal to 100. 2 times 0.866T equal to 100. Now, do the calculation. 50 divided by 0.866. Tolong tekan calculator. I need this number. Then we can compare. Which one? Huh? 57.73 Newton. Okay, so which way of hanging picture is better? This one? The bigger the angle, the smaller the string tension. So it is less likely to snap. Faham? That's the hanging part. Okay? Okay, I feel. Stop.